Beautiful, amazing, incredible. Even these words are not enough to describe the marvelous region of Ladakh. Hey everyone, this is Vihar, tour manager at Veena World, and I'll be showing you the stunning vistas of Ladakh through my eyes. Also known as the roof of the country, Ladakh is the destination that needs no introduction. Adventure seekers, bikers, solo travelers, or a family vacation. This place is popular among everyone. I experienced this view just a few months ago when I traveled here with my guests. I had revisited Ladakh after 4 years. This tour was indeed something. Previously, when I was conducting tours majorly in India, and I had been to this place more than 20 times. Coming back here after such a long time, it just felt like my first tour. The place is still the same, scant yet magnificent meadows, challenging high passes, and crystal clear lakes all around. Nothing has changed. Thanks to my lovely excited guest who made the long journey even more amazing. Journeying with such enthusiastic guests doubles the fun of the trip. Plus, we ensured to follow all the safety protocols and also be responsible tourists all the time. That's what we need to do every time. So guys, this was one of the tent stay in Nubra Valley. The view is gorgeous and room is super comfortable and clean. I wish I could sleep like this every day, so up close to nature. This time, we added an offbeat place in our itinerary, the Turtuk village, situated in the Leh district of Nubra Valley. Turtuk is the northernmost region in India and just a 10 km away from India-Pakistan border. All I can say about this destination is that it is just a one-of-a-kind experience. Summers of Ladakh are beautiful. During this time, the snow melts and you get a clear view of everything in different colors. But the most beautiful season to visit Ladakh is in September. You can enjoy the cool mountain breeze that has just begun, and the occasional snowfall creates a magical experience. This is also one of the best times to visit Pangong Lake, as the water body turns into the alluring shades of blue, even prettier than what you are seeing now, and the entire region seems to transform into a paradise. If you ask me, I would highly recommend you all to visit all the major tourist attractions here. With Veena World, everything will be taken care of while you just travel, explore and celebrate life with us on tour. So guys, this was Ladakh through my eyes. Now it's your time to go explore this incredible destination. Chalo Ladakh!